Rhonda Brzozowiec here, and I wanted to come to you today to talk about something really important. I've been getting a lot of questions about this, so I thought I would address it in a video, and that is how to use pre-written ads to generate leads for your business and why it's good for you to do that and how easy it is for you to do that. So I wanted to start off this video just showing an ad that I personally posted in a business group on Facebook to start off. So this is a group, Work From Home, right on Facebook. Here is my ad. It's a post that I posted in here. All these are pre-written, so I just literally have to copy and paste. Everything is done for you with this particular system that I'm going to talk to you about today. And as you come down here, I'm going to go to view more comments. You can see that all of these people have asked me for information here, right? So this is how you can generate organic leads to people that are really interested in what you have to say. So let me just see right here. I am going to stop the share for a minute because I want to show you something else. So I am going to share something else here. So why do you want to post ads, right? That's the question I get. Well, why do I want to post ads? The reason you want to post ads is because you want to create curiosity. You want to start attracting leads to you, right? It's very important to have them come to you instead of you chasing them or you sending them messages or you reaching out, right? Because people are taken back from that. But if they see something that you post and it's something that they're interested in, they're going to come to you. They're going to ask you for the information, and now you're not chasing them around and spamming people. They are actually coming to you because these are the people that are interested in whatever their offer is. So it's really nice to have the pre-written ads because these are proven. It's proven messaging that attracts people. Attraction marketing is the way to go, in my opinion, online, instead of always spamming. And when you go into these groups on Facebook, and there's groups on other social media platforms also, then there's people in there particularly looking either to make extra income or you sell the health product, something like that, right? Now for this particular program that I'm talking about, it's about learning social media. It's about learning how to post and use attraction marketing, get people started using attraction marketing and affiliate marketing on social media. So in this particular platform, which is Infinity Processing System, there's actually training for Facebook, there's TikTok, Instagram, Craigslist, which is offline. So most is online, but some is offline. LinkedIn, so for various different social media platforms, because each social media platform has its own way of doing things. So you're not going to post the same thing on Instagram that you're going to post on LinkedIn. It's not going to work. So as you can see, the next one says number 2 is, well, where do I post these ads? You post them anywhere on social media. Like I said, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, etc. And the way these ads are created, it's to use on those particular platforms to get people attracted for you and to work on that particular platform, which is very important. So that is why number 3 is it's extremely important for you to watch the training before you start posting your ads, because there is training. And let me stop this share for a second. Okay. So I'm going to share another screen because I'm going to show you the various training and the ads that are accessible and come with this system. So let me go here again. And I'm going to go here. So this is the back office of the IPS membership Infinity Processing System, which is what I said. So as you can see, here are your ads. With the pro level, I'm at the pro level. So there's 3 different levels. There's a beginner level that's at $50 to start. There's a middle level, which is $150 to start, and the pro level, which is only $300 to start. So at each level, you get more, right? So you get more training, more ways of doing things, more ads to post, more copy, more even graphics are done for you, right? So you get 2 here. I have 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads, right? Images attract on social media. So that's all in here for you. And then as you can see, you get a 7-day action plan for success. Here we go. Facebook marketing mastery, Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing. Because all of these platforms are different. So that is why it's extremely important to watch each individual training, and depending what platforms that you're active on social media, that's going to make a difference. So wherever you're the most active, you're going to start there, so that you can get started earning right away. Personally, I started with Facebook because that was my biggest platform, and I've been having a lot of success, truthfully, just using the copy and paste ads and some of the graphics that are given to me. So that's as easy as it is to post ads. And in this program, we show you exactly where to post them, how to post them, so that you can have the best success. That's what it's all about, right? So if you would like some more information on Infinity Processing System, how this works, send me a message, send me a DM. I'll be more than happy to send you the information. If you're watching this on YouTube, there is a link below. You can click on that to get all the information that you need. And like I said, you can always reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. So thanks for watching this video today, and have a great day.